Morning from Munich. Mark Rutte, the NATO Secretary General, is shouting and roaring behind me. I'm just down here where the hotel and the conference is on. As you can see, there's a monstrous amount of police in the background there. That's especially put together Ukrainian hosts for this event here. Anyway, we've had Rubio this morning, and he's been talking about, we'll say, the rules-based order and issues around the UN, and about basically setting a bit more of a conciliatory tone than, we'll say, Vance last year. But anyway, we've got a story up on the site about that now, and later on as well, I'm going to be, hopefully all going well, having a chat with Helen McEntee to hear what the Irish government are doing here at the moment and what meetings they're having. Can't imagine she's going to give the whole game away, but I did think it was very interesting that from sources I heard that the Irish Military Intelligence Service is here and is in meetings, and likely probably to do with the launch of the maritime security strategy later this month in Ireland. Follow along in the journal, there'll be plenty more stories.